When Apple announced the new MacBook Pro and MacBook Air with the M3 chip, it set the tech world abuzz. With both laptops sporting the same powerful M3 chip, it can be challenging to decide which one is better for you. In this post, we'll break down the key differences between the MacBook Pro M3 and the MacBook Air M3 to help you make an informed decision. Design and portability. Starting with design, both the MacBook Pro and MacBook Air maintain Apple's sleek, minimalist aesthetic, but there are significant differences. The MacBook Air is renowned for its ultra-thin and lightweight design. At just 2.7 pounds, it's perfect for users who prioritize portability and need a laptop that's easy to carry around. The MacBook Pro, while still portable, is slightly heavier and thicker, weighing around 3.5 pounds. This added heft is due to its more robust build and additional features. If you're often on the go and value a featherlight laptop, the MacBook Air might be the better choice. Display quality. When it comes to display, the MacBook Pro M3 takes the lead. It features a stunning Liquid Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology, offering a higher refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. This means smoother scrolling, better video playback, and an overall more responsive experience. The MacBook Air, while also equipped with a beautiful Retina display, lacks ProMotion and the Extreme Dynamic Range, XDR, making the Pro the winner for visual professionals and enthusiasts. Performance. Both laptops are powered by the M3 chip, ensuring top-notch performance across the board. However, the MacBook Pro has the edge with its better thermal management and more advanced cooling system. This allows it to sustain peak performance for longer periods without throttling, making it ideal for intensive tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and software development. The MacBook Air, though powerful, might throttle under prolonged heavy workloads due to its fanless design. For everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, and office work, the Air performs admirably. But if you're a power user needing consistent high performance, the Pro is the way to go. Battery life is another area where both machines excel but differ slightly. The MacBook Air boasts an impressive battery life of up to 18 hours of web browsing or up to 20 hours of video playback, thanks to its efficient, fanless design. The MacBook Pro, on the other hand, offers around 17 hours of web browsing or 18 hours of video playback. While both laptops provide excellent battery longevity, the Air has a slight edge, making it perfect for those who need extended use without frequent charging. Ports and connectivity options are more varied in the MacBook Pro. It includes 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, an HDMI port, and an SDXC card slot, offering greater flexibility for connecting peripherals and external displays. The MacBook Air, designed with minimalism in mind, features only 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports and a headphone jack. If you need a variety of ports for your workflow, the MacBook Pro is the better-equipped option. Price is often a deciding factor. The MacBook Air M3 13-inch starts at $1,099, while the new 15-inch costs $1,300. This makes the Air more accessible to students, casual users, and those on a budget. The MacBook Pro M3, with its higher price tag of $1,599 for the 14-inch and $2,499 for the 16-inch. It justifies the cost with its enhanced features, better display, and superior performance. However, for many users, the Air offers incredible value without compromising on essential performance and features. Which one to buy? Choosing between the MacBook Pro M3 and the MacBook Air M3 ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. MacBook Air M3, ideal for users who prioritize portability, longer battery life, and a lower price point. It's perfect for students, travelers, and anyone needing a reliable, lightweight laptop for everyday tasks. MacBook Pro M3, best for professionals who require sustained high performance, superior display quality, and a variety of connectivity options. If your work involves intensive computational tasks, graphic design, or video production, the Pro is worth the investment. Both laptops are exceptional in their own right, leveraging the power of the M3 chip to deliver outstanding performance. Evaluate your needs and preferences to make the best choice for your next laptop purchase. A quick tip to save money when purchasing a MacBook is to select 256 GB of storage and get an external SSD on Amazon for $100 instead of $400 plus. Instead, spend more on RAM, which will future-proof your new powerful laptop. We hope this helps you choose. If you enjoyed, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching today.